Welcome everyone to this training. Before we begin, I want us to understand why data analysis is important. Today, in our world, we live in a world where almost everything is driven by data. Anything you see around us is driven by data. You can believe with me that businesses use data, schools use data, governments also use data. Even small businesses around us, they use data. Understanding data gives you an advantage. It helps one from guessing to making use of the direct thing that he's supposed to use. Then, data as of today moves you from guessing to knowing. And this training is not just only about learning Excel, Power BI, SQL, or Python alone. It is also very important that you know that this training is about building a skill that can help you make better decisions and create opportunities for yourself. Now, who is a data analyst? A data analyst is somebody who works with data, clean the data, and analyze data so that it can help people to understand and find insights in what that has been done, thereby use it to make good decisions. A data analyst helps people to find useful insights in a particular project or situation, and these insights help individuals and organizations make better decisions, and that's how things run smoothly and better in businesses and in our daily lives. Let's see the functions of a data analyst in an organization. A data analyst in an organization plays a very important role. A data analyst helps an organization to understand performance, how the business is going, which product is selling fast, which product is not doing well, and they also help the organization to solve business problems. They also identify trends in the sense that they understand how patterns go in the business. Let me use for example, if you are a data analyst in a poultry farm, let's say that you rear farm animals and then sell eggs, then you can believe with me that during the time schools are in session, eggs goes up in sales. That means to say there is a lot of high level of sales in egg from the poultry farm, because most mothers put egg or add egg to the lunch of their children, but the selling of egg reduces a little bit during the holidays when students are at home. The data analysts also prepare reports and dashboards. These dashboards are like pictures or images or shapes of reports, or a means to tell you how things are in your business using images, and it's very interesting. Most of you have already seen this in television. These report preparation and dashboard, they support management decisions. So instead of guessing, a data analyst helps the management to use data to guide all the actions taking place in the organization. Now let's talk about where a data analyst can work. A data analyst can work in many places. A data analyst needed to work in a bank, the person can work in hospitals, the person can work in schools, the person can work in government offices and parastatals, the person can work in NGOs, telecom companies, tech companies, and even in small businesses around us. Believe you me, anywhere you see records, numbers, or reports, data is involved, and that is where you can see a data analyst. This means very much that this skill is not limited in one field. You can be a data analyst, you can work in any field in life. Now let's see how this skill can help you. If you're a student, this skill can help you academically with your research projects. It can help you to make better organization of your works. It can also help you in handling data skills. You are not a data analyst, so it can help you to arrange your things, information about you, even information and details of data collection you may need in your school. Professionally, it opens door for your jobs for you in various kinds of organizations as the one we saw lastly. Then also you can work as a freelancer on your own, working for one, two or more people while not being in a particular company. You can also work as a remote data analyst, helping people who are not close to you, who are far away from you. You can help them to work. Now, personally, it can help you to track your budget. It can help you to track your business activities, and it helps you in better decision making. So this skill is useful in many areas of life. Therefore, now let us see the career opportunities in data analysis. Now, with growth, you can work towards roles such as the following. As you grow in this field, listen very well, as you grow in this field, there are different career paths you can explore. You can become a data analyst, you can become a business analyst, you can become a reporting analyst, you can become a data entry specialist, and you can become an expert in dashboard developing. And as well, you can also use this skill to support business, or you can work independently. Can someone earn a good money from data analysis? Yes. This skill can also create income opportunities for you. You can work in organizations, take freelance jobs, be a consultant for small businesses, or even you can even teach others. Yes. And another important is that you can support businesses with your skill, and you will be comfortably paid, and your life runs smoothly. All right, let's see why you should take this training seriously. You should take this training seriously because it is not just another class. This is a class where you are going to build a skill that will enable you to do what? Touch your own life and lives in different ways. This skill you're going to learn here will help you to do what? Create opportunities and stand out for yourself and build your career. Most importantly, if you are consistent and you practice and you also research what you learn, you will surely make progress. Now let us talk about the relationship between data analysis and remote opportunities. Another important thing about data analysis is that it can support remote work. Yes, you can support remote work so well, thereby making an individual work from anywhere. Do you know that businesses and clients, they need what? They need someone who will help them to work on their data. Work on their data, clean the data, and provide good results that can be understood. So with this right skill, people use data to support businesses, teams, research projects. They can help in reporting tasks. They can even freelance for clients whom they don't even know. People will trust you to give you their information. Then you work on them and give them the results that will help them to make right decisions for their businesses. And some roles may be done remotely as well. So this shows us that your skill is not related or only in your environment. This means that your skill is not limited in your environment. That means you can work for somebody who is not even in your state, country, but very far away from you. Let's continue. Now let us see how relevant is data analysis in today's business world globally. Now data is used everywhere. These skills are very relevant, very important locally, nationally, and internationally. Now, having a good skill can travel far because from your skill projecting you, people can notice you and see what you can do and then ask you to come and work for them. This also means that when you build strong skill, your opportunities are not limited to one place. Your good skill can take you far. Let's see the kind of skill you're going to grow from here. In this training, we're going to start with Power BI after learning Excel. Sorry, we are going to start with Excel. We'll start with Excel and then we go over to Power BI. Later, you can grow into data visualization after understanding Excel, Power BI. Then we will go into data visualization. Then business intelligence. At most, as you grow, as you improve, you also go into research analysis and advanced analysis. Now, now I want to tell you something also important. You do not need to know everything today. You only need to start where you are. You're going to start with willingness to learn. You're going to be very consistent. Keep on practicing. And most importantly, is that growth comes step by step as you continue to work hard.
By now, I want to leave you with this. Do not underestimate the value of learning one useful skill well. A skill can open doors, create opportunities, and change direction. Start where you are, grow consistently, and take this training seriously. See you at the top.